Alright guys, we are back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing a bunch of Baseus products. So that I've gotten on the table here, you can see we have the sunglasses clip. This is a USB cable. This is a Type C cable. We have is a cable management, magnetic cable management, and lastly this one is just some more cable management, but this is a strap you can use to cable manage other things like a USB cable like this one, for example. So this one we can organize things even better. So we're gonna be taking a look at this one first. Let's put this aside. So this is the sunglasses clip for your car. So let me get the let me just unbox this one. So before we take a look at it inside, let's take a look at it outside first of the box. So it says here is a clamping type, shockproof, and also you can, let me just zoom in. You can see it says sponge protection and has a clamp installation. So on behind you can see you have an idea of what to expect about this product, and yeah, these are all the information you need. And this side nothing, this side nothing much. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here we have it. So this comes out like that in the box, and the wrapper, and yeah, looks pretty nice. Got a leather kind of finish here, you can see Baseus branding, and just need to like this, and it should clip onto your sunglasses area. You're gonna clip this on top of the vehicle, so you can do like this, and then it will clip on. And then this is where you put your sunglasses, so you can just lift up the clip and then it should attach it, which is nice. So this is the first item we have done unboxing it. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of the items in the list. So we have the next one is the Baseus Type C to Type A connector. So this one is special a bit, I'll tell you why. So let us take it out first. So just open it out like that. So it doesn't really have a box, just comes in a wrapper with Baseus branding. But anyway, this is the product. So you can see the cables are braided, which is nice. I mean, this is better so it won't break so easily. So we do get some velcro straps here to manage the cable. So this one is 2 meters long, the one I got. So you can choose various sizes like 1.5 and 1 meter. So you can see this attached to it. So you can manage it well. So this is the Type A connector with Type C connector over here. And yeah, it's pretty nice and quite sturdy. Right, so you can see we have a display here. So this one thing special about this one is if you charge your device, it will show the amount of output. In terms of wattage, it will show the display over here, and give you guys an idea how fast your device is charging. And this one as well supports fast charging for many devices that supports it, like Huawei, Xiaomi, and even Samsung devices do support the fast charging speeds. So let me show you guys how it looks like in action. Alright guys, so I'm back with a device. So this is my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I'm going to show you guys in action how it works in action. So you can see the cable is connected, and you can zoom in. So this is the current wattage is pulling from the wall now. And if you unlock it, you can say on my device, you can see it says fast charging. So it is working. So fast charging is working on this device without any issues with this cable, which is nice. So you can see it's showing around roughly between 12 watts to 15 watts, but now the battery is almost full, so it does slow down. But anyway, yeah, it works. So this is very nice. And one thing about this cable is the quality of it is very good. I mean, this at least will last you a very long time. It won't break so easily as like the one that comes with in the box. So this one will last you very long, which is nice. Right, let's move on to the next item in the list. Okay, the next item is this magnetic cable organizer, so let's take a look at it. So also comes in the packaging like this. So let's open it. Oh, it is really tiny. Alright, so let's take a quick close look at it. You can see this is how you hold the cables. There is a sort of a small little hole for you to put the cable. So this one is magnetic. So you can see if I just let go, it attaches to the base, which is nice. So let's say you want to mount this over here, and I got the USB cable that we just unboxed. So let's say you want to manage this one, so you can put it here. You can put this inside. We just actually you don't need to put on the base. You can just take it out and put it on the cable first. Okay, once we take it out, you see we can attach it to the cable. So it does fit this one, which is nice. So it does fit. And then let's say you put this on the table, you can just attach this over here. It should stay still. Oh, that was too fast. Yeah, so let's say I put in the corner here. It should stay still. Hopefully it doesn't pull it down, because you need to attach this actually. There is a sticker you need to remove over here, so you need to stick it somewhere so that this thing won't move around so much. So because I didn't stick it, that's why it's moving around. But this is an idea, so it's supposed to be like this, so it's easier for you to manage the cable. So yeah, just an idea. So it supports up to 3, so they only give 3, or you can manage 3 wires at the same time. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, you can see it doesn't come out at all. And yeah, as I said, you need to remove this sticker. So you need to decide where to put this. Maybe on the table, or maybe on the side of the table, on the side, and on the side, or maybe like this. But upside down, I don't recommend doing this, because it may cause the magnet to come out if you're pulling it out. So maybe just leave it as like this is better. Alright, done with this one. Let's move on to the last one. So the last one, actually nothing much, but it is a Baseus product. So let's just take a look at it. So this one is just a Velcro strap. So this is about 1 meter long. So you can tear this out, and you can actually just cut it, and then you can use this to organize your cables. So it's mainly just for cable managing your cables, and that's about it. So let me just give you guys an overall the design. So Baseus, so it shows like this, based on user. And yep, that's it for the design. And yeah, so that wraps up all the unboxing for all the products, for the Baseus products that I showed you earlier. So we got all these 3 items, including this USB cable, which I think is the best among all these 3. So this one. And yeah, so that's all for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing and overview of all these Baseus products. If you do like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.